teenager and what you watch on the YouTube.
It is possible.
Possible.
Maybe
Maybe reading the book is like to straighten up your opinion. Yeah.
I have a question too. Why you say you don't like reading, but then why Asma Nadia become an exception?
Because I read some books like Asma Nadia, right? The what's comic, some novels from her, and then others authors, but I forget the name.
I mean, why did you get interested in this?
I first write my first novel when I was at Vocational High School, my senior high school, and then the first book that I read is Asma Nadia, and then the story is very like it's like, you know, the teenagers life. That's why the story is very interesting. Even though this fiction story, that's why I know Asma Nadia for song.
Alright, any question?